Day in, day out, we design, we build, we fabricate. Stronger than the steel we work with, we forge ahead. Metal is the foundation of the world around us. It's powerful. It demands respect. Take a closer look. You will see that what we create is all around you. Precision, skill, and knowledge are the foundation of a leader in metal fabrication. With decades of experience under our belts, we stand strong by our promise. More than 100,000 square feet of manufacturing space, coupled with an arsenal of future-thinking machinery, we can tackle any job that comes our way. Our clients are leaders in their own right, from Fortune 500 to small business. Expert design, precise manufacturing, and meticulous quality control. Our approach remains constant: 100% customer satisfaction.